Hello, from today I am starting to record formulas and concept for PGT physics and so I will record only concept and formula. So I am starting. Okay, these are my notes. So my first topic is electricity and magnetism, and my lecture 1 is electric charge and field. So first of all I want to I am not to tell everything, but I will say you only concept. The first thing is charge, and it I denote it by q, and its SI unit is coulomb and CGS unit is ESU, electrostatic unit, and 1 coulomb is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 9 ESU, and 1 1 1 EMU is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 10 ESU, and 3 into 10 to the power 10 ESU into 10. So 1 EMU is equals to 10 coulomb, and there is a two process by which charge can be transferred. The one is friction and the second is induction. Okay, now I am moving on another. So now I am telling normal state. uh, so so from electron is loose, then it's come positive charge, and electron is come, it's come negative charge. It is a normal state and neutral state. If number of electron is changed, then what happen I will discuss. When number of electron is decreased, then we used q is equal to plus Ne. So in this figure you can see that electron are removing from the orbit. And now we are moving on second. When number of electron is increased, that's why electron jump in the orbit of atom. So here we used q is equal to minus Ne. That's why we got it q is equal to plus minus Ne, and we can use formulas also. Q dash is equal to q 1 minus 1 upon k. The value of k is infinity for metal, and for dielectric k is less than infinity and greater than 1. Okay, so these are information regarding electric charge and field. Now I am moving on another page. It is our next page. So these are information about concept. So now I am moving on one by one. So properties of charge is it is a additive nature. Charge of different type, then q is equal to q1 plus q2 minus q3 plus q4, and relativistic invariant, then it's mean when v is equals to 0, then q is equals to q. So that's why when v is equal to c also. And now charge are in quantized, means q is equal to plus minus Ne, where N is equal to 1 2 3, and E is a fundamental charge, and E cannot be 2.3. It's not a good idea. That's why the value of E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and isolated electron are possible. And quark model, we study many things just like top, bottom, up, down, charm and strange. And E denote by E, P denote by UUD, and N denote by UDD, and TUC is equal to plus minus 2 by 3E, and DSP is equal to plus minus E by 3. Isolated quark is also possible. Now I am moving on another, just Coulomb's law. So here we will not discuss about Coulomb's law. We are focusing on focus and concept only. So when two charges q1 and q2 are placed at distance r, and k is a constant, then f is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q1 q2 upon r square, and for air and vacuum k is equals to 1. So f is not is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 y upon r square. It is a maximum quantity, and f is equal to f naught upon k. F naught is equals to fk, and the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9, and its unit is Newton meter square upon coulomb square. And there are some relation. Epsilon naught is equals to epsilon naught k, and epsilon upon epsilon naught is equals to k is equals to epsilon naught r. Here epsilon is equals to permittivity of medium. Epsilon naught is equals to 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square upon Newton meter square, and epsilon denote the permittivity of free space. Epsilon r is equals to relative permittivity. Here k is dielectric constant. K is equals to 1 for air and vacuum. K is equal to infinity for matter. The value of k is less than infinity, greater than 1 for dielectric. Now I am moving on another page. So this is my second page, third page, and now I am comes on about electrostatic force. Here we will study a comparison between electrostatic force and gravitational force. So I will discuss about one by one. So for F, electrostatic force is F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught k q1 q2 upon r square. It's denote F directly proportional to inversely proportional to 1 upon r square. That's why it's called inverse square law. And when we comes on gravitational force, then F is equals to g m1 m2 upon r square, and F is equals to F directly proportional to 1 upon r square. So that's why it's also an inverse square law. And electrostatic force is medium dependent, and gravitational force is medium independent. And electrostatic force is in both are its same in both properties, attractive and repulsive. For attractive, F is negative, and for repulsive, F is positive. But gravitational force is always attractive, means M always positive. Range, range. So we also describe strength. So which force is more strong? So that's why we are giving like this. So strong nuclear force is greater than nuclear force is strong than electromotive force, then weak nuclear force, then gravitational force. So in this way we can discuss that nuclear force is the strongest force and gravitational force is the weakest force. So these are comparison between electrostatic force and gravitational force. So you can take also a screenshot of this. Now we are moving on electromotive force and gravitational force. It can be work between proton and proton, proton and electron, electron and electron. Between proton Fe upon Fg is equal to 10 to the power 36, and Fe upon Fg is equal to 10 to the power 39. Fe upon Fg is equal to 10 to the power 43, and P is equals to if the charge of on proton is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, and charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram. Mass of proton is 1.6727 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram, and it's equal to 1836 mass of electron. And mass of neutron is equal to 1.6749 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram, and it's equal to 1839 mass of electron. So mass of proton is equals to mass of neutron, and mass of neutron is greater than mass of proton and mass of electron. So now I am moving on another page. So now I am discussing about electric field intensity. So from positive charge, electric field line moves outward. So in this figure you can say that lines are from outward, but from negative charge, electric field line comes towards the charge. So in this figure you can watch also that electron field lines are moves towards the negative charge, and electron moves from positive to negative. That's why its line are also moved from positive to negative. But there is a one point where between positive and positive charge there is a one point where there is a no electric field, means there is a neutral point. E1 is equals to E2. So that's why it is a isolated positive and negative charge can exist. Now we are moving on electric field strength. Also E is equals to F upon Q. It is a electric field strength. So here is a two-way when field is in the direction of electron and field is when positive charge come, then force will work in the direction of electric field, and when negative charge remain, then force work in the opposite direction of electric field. Here you can watch Q is a core source charge, Q naught is a text charge, and we have to find the electric field stand. So the unit is E is equal to F upon Q naught. It's equals to N upon C. So E is equals to B upon L. So its unit is volt upon meter. So here our one unit has complete. So I will also continue unit, not unit, it is a lecture. So I will also continue lecture 2 in the next class. Okay, thank you so much.